today I have a makeup tutorial for you. Who am I? So I broke down and bought the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I've been eyeing it for so long because, as stated in my previous video, I work near a Morphe store, and so I go in there all the time to like gaze longingly at this palette. And finally broke down and bought it. And I went home after my shift that day after buying this and was looking up tutorials and inspiration that used this palette. The only one that I could really find was Jeffree's video himself, and his, don't get me wrong, I think the work that the eyeshadow that he did in that video, or I think it was actually somebody else who did the look on him, I think it was beautiful, but it's not like 1000% wearable for the everyday person. And I know for the average makeup person that wears mostly neutrals, like this was bold for me too, but I just for some reason was really attracted to this palette. So I wanted to do a look that was using this palette but vaguely wearable for somebody who wants just something a little bit different. I did share a picture of this when I did it last week on my Instagram, so if you want a closer look at basically the same look, there's a little bit of a difference. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Off camera used the Flower Beauty sponge for the first time, and I'm in love with this thing. Like, I love it so much. I didn't mention it within the video because I did my foundation off camera, but I totally suggest buying this. I know this is like super random, it doesn't have anything to do with the video, but yeah. So this is my tutorial on the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I hope you guys enjoy this video and leave your requests and things you guys think I should do next in the comments down below, and let's get on to the video. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and then I'm going to take Sugar Cane from the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to put that into my crease, as well as a little bit of Cake Mix to use as a transition shade. I'm going to go in with Cherry Soda to start off that red color in the crease. And then I'm going to use a clean blending brush to kind of diffuse the edges of it. And then I'm going to use Fresh Meat and deepen up the socket line a little bit. And then I'm going to use Extraction and kind of further blend out that. And then I'm going to use Coma and deepen up the outer corner. And then I'm going to take my clean blending brush again and diffuse out the edges. And then I'm going to use Sweetener on the lid, and I did wet my brush a little bit with setting spray. And then I'm going to use the shade Glucose on my brow bone and on my inner corners. And some magic. Here I have some bronzer. This is this Chocolate Soleil. And then I'm going to use MAC Warm Soul on my cheeks, as well as the Butter Highlighter from Physicians Formula, which is my favorite highlighter. And then I'm going to use Milani Darling, which is becoming one of my new favorite lipsticks. It's gorgeous and feels so comfortable. Then I'm going to use Buxom Mudslide as my lip gloss, and that is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.